chair again. Hi. I shouldn't say that. I'll cut that out. Hi, my hands are super with Okay, so I'm going to do auscultation. We're going to do heart sounds first. Okay. So we're going to start with aortic. Just breathe normally. Beautiful. And we're going to go pulmonary. Beautiful. I'm going to pull this up a little bit right here. We're going to do tricuspid. Beautiful. Sorry, my hands are cold. You're fine. We're going to come right over here. Beautiful. Okay. You're alive.
Yes.
Okay, now we're going to do lung sounds.
Okay.
So I'm going to do, I'll do both sides.
Okay.
And the first one, I'm going to have her go through a whole breathing cycle, and then the rest of them, I'm just going to, okay. And same thing on the back. So we're going to go through a whole breathing cycle. So take a deep breath in and breathe out. Beautiful. Same thing. Beautiful. Same thing. Okay. Now I have to go here. And then here. You don't have to breathe heavy. I'm just showing my hand to go. And I'd come here. Then I'd come over here. And then back over here. Sorry, I definitely scratched you. You're good. And then back over here. A little lower. Can you yeet around real quick? Beautiful. This is very professional, I know. And then I'm just gonna, since I've already taken her through all the breathing cycles, I'm just gonna on your back. You gotta make that sound. So just breathe normally. Come over here. Cold-hearted. Yay.